I understand that it isn't enough to just know about it. You must have tools and resources to apply what you know. Also, we have had an influx of ELL students in our district in the past couple of years, and I can apply what I've learned in this assignment when I have an ELL student in my class or when I help make decisions at the building level. I have a better understanding of equity in schools by learning it is so important to not ignore the problem. It takes a team of willing individuals to make and implement change to create a learning environment safe for everyone. As I read, I found inclusiveness applies to multiple areas in a building. Inclusiveness relates to students with disabilities, cultural differences, parent inclusion, community involvement, and much more. Through the research, I also learned cultural responsiveness is how we react to the data. Times are changing, so we must collect the data, evaluate what we have, and respond to it in an appropriate way. My reflection piece. This assignment has prepared me to continue efforts not only in my classroom currently, but also if I were to ever become a school leader. I will do this by making data-driven decisions based on my students' individual needs. I will conduct an SEL survey listed as an SEL assessment called DESA, so I found it in that resource. I would like to do further research on and apply in my classroom. With this data, I could hit the most necessary social and emotional needs of my students. As a school leader, I would have more family engagement nights at schools. At these engagement nights, I would not only have academics covered, but also educate parents on social and emotional needs, as well as cultural diversity in the community. What I took from the research that I could apply in future decisions as a school leader would be to present more parent and teacher surveys to accurately assess needs. Keep in mind diversity when hiring, not just experience, and the research also presented many ways to create a positive school culture, such as the importance of routines, expectations, and the route of communication to staff. These are all areas I would like to develop and incorporate as a future school leader. And these are my resources. And thank you for listening.